Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing accounts so you can serve ads to Instagram via Google Ads indirectly. Connect your Instagram business profile to a Facebook page in Business Manager. Make sure you have admin access. In Google Ads, verify billing, set time zone, and create a basic campaign to activate the account. Once done, create a shareable Facebook pixel or conversion setup. You will need it to track conversions when routing traffic. These steps let Google Ads send traffic to Instagram-linked landing experiences reliably. Now build the campaign in Google Ads and plan how users reach Instagram content. Select a goal like traffic or conversions, then choose manual or smart bidding. Set daily budget and audience signals. Create ad assets optimized for Instagram: vertical 9, 16 and 1, brief captions, and a direct CTA. Instead of sending users to Instagram directly, point ads to a link in bio landing or shoppable collection that redirects or deep links to your Instagram content. Make sure to launch the campaign and monitor core metrics closely. Focus on clicks, CTR, conversion rate, and bounce for the link in bio landing. Once you have 3 to 5 days of data, refine bids, pause weak creatives, and tighten audiences to improve cost per action. If conversions are low, make sure the Facebook pixel or server-side tracking is firing, UTM tags are intact, and mobile deep links open Instagram properly. If deep links fail, fall back to a short landing page that prompts a manual tap through to your Instagram profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.